Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to extract all those sellers information which is available for all the category. So these are the category list from the Amazon.com, Amazon.India. From each category, many category will have their own seller list. So we'll go and we'll extract their own sellers. Like from this category, so from this camera category, we'll extract the URL or missing a seller list. But for that we need this node ID, and from this node ID, whatever be the sellers available on that page, you can go directly down here. You can just click on see more. Here, this seller's information, each seller's information is from their particular page. Now directly we are not landing on the seller's information page, but we have to go and get information from their seller page. Here from this page you can see. So now category page, seller page, seller list page, and the seller information page. So from all this information we are going to extract all the data by Scrapy framework. So let's start with the Scrapy command prompt. Okay, here cd okay, Scrapy start project, Amazon seller, Scrapy, okay, then cd Amazon seller, Scrapy generate spider, and here what you can select sellers info and this domain URL. So I'll just get this domain URL, copy, just make sure this HTTPS should not be there, because Scrapy by default HTTP consider whatever that URLs you are going giving as an input. So let's enter. Seller info spider has been created. Okay, so now let's go to the spider. Okay, Amazon seller spider, and here you go, seller information. So now, okay, so make sure that HTTP is by default, as I said, like Scrapy will add into the URL, so I have to just make it HTTPS, and allowed domain should be only Amazon.in. The rest part you should remove it first. That is a very important step whenever you enter into the Scrapy script. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll start scraping information. So now okay, we can just go to this page. Okay, now I am into the XPath page, where XPaths will be available here. of all these categories, so we are going to get XPath from here. So this is the node ID which we need, so we'll just copy full XPath and find. Okay, this is the first, but how many whatever the category listed over there, we need all the node IDs wherever available. Okay, so here you go. 265 categories are available, but these are the Amazon products, and some of the products which will not be available. So those category IDs will not be there, node IDs will not be there. So wherever the node ID is there, we're going to extract sellers information from those categories. So here this is the path which I got. Now I'll go back to the script. So I'll first extract category list is equal to response.xpath. So we can extract data by CSS as well as XPath. So I'm just going to extract by this XPath. Okay, XPath, and then paste. Okay, category list is having a list of all the URLs. So now we need category name and their ID or URLs. From URL we can extract the ID. So for just name, okay, for category list, category name is equal to cat.xpath. It's a name, right? So we need text. So okay, I'll go back to that. Okay, now here from this till a tag we got everything, but now for name we need this name equal dot, and for URL we need href. So for name I am just extracting text and href for URL. So this is the text dot get, and then category URL is equal to category dot xpath. Sorry, xpath and href. Okay, so now I have to check that URL href means category URL does have node ID or not. So we'll just directly write if cat URL dot find search, okay, find then this URL. I was like, okay, not this. Okay, I'll go to the speaker. Yeah, this node NODE. Okay, so NODE is equal to, is that URL having node, then nodes is equal to cat URL dot. Now we have to split. We are using split function over here. Means that URL should be splitted by AND, because see this URL having AND over here, one more here, so means we need this in between that. So we can just extract, means we can split by AND, and then this for node in nodes if, then again we'll do one thing, we'll check node is equal to in node. So we are cross checking, means that URL has been splitted into now 3 parts. This part means till this first part will be here, then second part will be this, and third part will be like the third one. So this second part is having node character, so we are cross checking that node character. So if node is into node pane node id is equal to node, but we have to replace the character node is equal to also. So node replace node by blank, and there you go. Okay, sorry, and I will just check yield. Cat name is equal to cat name, cat URL is equal to cat URL, and node ID means category ID, so we can say that cat ID is equal to node ID. So okay, yeah, to the will run directly scrappy crawl. What is the name? Sellers info. Sellers info. Okay, here you go. So now you can just cross check miss all the categories we got. Now this category name school bags, kid shoes, category URLs. From these URLs we got node ID, category ID 4091. As I said, like node is equal to 4091095031. So here you go, category ID. So we have extracted successfully this category IDs from here. Now we'll visit on category, those category like school bag category seller list on that page, and from there we'll go to the seller information page. So third part. So this is the first part we have completed. I'll stop here. We'll see you into next part. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.